Hi gentlemen, welcome in another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a new software AI WhiteLabel. This software is for healthcare providers and improve patient care with AI tools for diagnostic, monitoring or personalized treatment plans. You can use it too for SaaS campaign, add AI feature like automation or analytics to your software platform. You can use it too for retailers or hospitality. Use AI for customer support, dynamic pricing, or personalized offer. You can use it too for school or it check offer personalized learning or automated grading with AI tools. There is a lot of tools here for this software. You can put in link in description and log out what you want and what you need for your business. Enjoy in your day. Good luck.